3, 2, 1.
To flip the pancake over quickly to cook both sides. How would you do this? The answer is A. Use tongs and flip over the pancake. What group originally recorded the 1963 song Be My Baby? The answer is C. The Ronettes. Which cast member of The White Shadow directed 16 episodes of The Sopranos and 4 episodes of Sex and the City? The answer is D. Tim Van Patten. When was the scene department created? The answer is A. 1790. Why is the narrator wanting friends to check out the photos? The answer is A. It is from their wedding. A boy is bent over in his bedroom. What happens next? The answer is A. Is trying to put on a shoe. What happened to my eyes? The answer is B. None of the above choices. Why are the kids with the ant? The answer is D. The ant knows what the kids like. In which year did Victoria become queen? The answer is B. 1837. Look at the equation. 2H2 plus O2 2H2O. What does the equation show? The answer is D. Hydrogen and oxygen combining. Which of these bones is located in the wrist? The answer is C. Carpals. Why could the person not hold down a job? The answer is B. Because of their crippling anxiety. Which of these movies directed by Martin Scorsese was nominated for 11 Academy Awards, winning 5 of them? The answer is D. The Aviator. In which year did the state begin to reinforce defense? The answer is D. 1843. A man water ski on front a glacier. The man watch a seal and a whale in the cold water. The man water ski in the water. What happens next? The answer is C. Holding a rope pulled by a boat. In what year did Bulgaria become a vassal of the Ottomans? The answer is C. 1366. About how many lightning bolts strike the Earth each second?
The answer is D. 100.
Why is the narrator in a graveyard? The answer is A. They are tidying the grave of a family member. Trap flying bugs. How would you do this? The answer is A. Cut paper into strips and layer with Vaseline. What may have happened after the dinner? The answer is C. We played the games. In what year did Einstein pass away? The answer is D. 1955. What was the narrator's feel of the movie? The answer is D. They did not like it. Why did the speaker have to run around him? The answer is C. He wanted to play around too much. What may happen after being asked to hang out? The answer is D. I would have to go home instead. Why is the narrator so thrilled with their diamond earrings? The answer is C. Their spouse got them. The vaulted overcroft beneath the monks' dormitory has been a museum since when? The answer is A. 1908. Bake cookies with sunlight. How would you do this? The answer is A. Place cookie trays on car dash. Why is the narrator displaying more signs of grouchiness? The answer is B. The narrator is having female troubles. What year did free media outlets begin to expand? The answer is B. 2003. In one area, a large source of prey for eagles is rabbits. If the number of rabbits suddenly decreases, what effect will it most likely have on the eagles? The answer is B. Their numbers will decrease. Mean Spirit is the first novel by a novelist born in what year? The answer is A. 1947. Which of these is unique to the process of scientific investigation? The answer is D. Collecting data in an experiment. In what popular TV sitcom did supermodel Elle Macpherson make a guest appearance in 1999? The answer is D. Friends. In what year did Faraday convert non-electrical energy into mechanical energy? The answer is B. 1821. Man is doing slackline above a seashore. Kid is walking from side to side of a rock above a seashore. Kid, what happens next? The answer is A. Is in beach in the sunset practicing slackline. Who played Cheryl, Jim's wife in the comedy TV series According to Jim? The answer is D. Courtney Thorne Smith. Where might this be taking place? The answer is B. A water park. What year was Ray McKinnon, who wrote and produced the film Crystal, born? The answer is A. 1957. What was the reason for killing the pests? The answer is B. I didn't want to get stung. What function does a vacuole do for a cell? The answer is B, storage. An estimated 99% of the species that have ever lived on Earth no longer exist, showing that what event is common? The answer is C, extinction. In what year was the Disney movie The Cheetah Girls released? The answer is B, 2003. When was the team founded for which Peter Horashek is currently a pro scout? The answer is D, 1974. Which substance do all living things require to survive? The answer is B, water. What is the daily salt intake recommended by the Scientific Advisory Committee on Nutrition for the United Kingdom? The answer is B, 4 grams. In what year was West Virginia admitted to the Union? The answer is A, 1863. The word phlebo is of Greek origin, which comes from the root phlein, meaning to gush or to overflow. What part of the body does this word refer to? The answer is A, veins. Which late president of the United States said the following: "The world is more like it is now than it ever has before"? The answer is A, Dwight D. Eisenhower. What sense of the Malayan tapir, also called Asian tapir, is underdeveloped? The answer is C, eyesight. What U.S. space mission named the Command Module Charlie Brown and the Lunar Module Snoopy?